What is up, ladies and gentlemen? We're here. I'm sorry for being late, but the thing is that this platform that we're gonna do this didn't allow me to get in. It was weird. It didn't allow me with anything that I can. I don't want to go into details, but it didn't want me to join the website, but now it does allow me. So Friday fun day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so pumped again. Finally, we're doing this. Last week wasn't that good. We lost like 40 bucks. Well, that's kind of like not the best. But today we are on here to do this big time. So I hope you guys are excited. I actually set everything up. I just want to make sure that I have everything ready. First of all, very, very important, don't try this at home, not financial advice. It's just for entertainment purposes only. If you want to win the profits I make here, you gotta go and follow the instructions in the description. You gotta share a tweet, you gotta leave a comment after the stream, and you have to be on the live Monday to get the results. And the reason why you have to leave the comment, because I'm gonna ruffle from the comments on live on Monday. That's what we're gonna do. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. And just to tell you from the very beginning, as you know, we're killing it in the community. We're killing it in the community, guys. I'm telling you, we had a crazy run. We've been waiting for this dump. Some of the positions, no, actually none of the positions that we had got stopped in this dump. And we are already in a new positions. We were at the bank 1 to 9 this morning. Because some of the people took it, some of the people didn't take it, but it is definitely going. So if you want to join there as well, if you sign up with it's free until the end of December. If you want to sign up with my link, you can win an iPhone. Everything is in the description as well, or in the pinned comments. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. First of all, safety first. Let me do this. I have to still, like, I really want to make sure I don't want to get banned on YouTube, right? So that's the main purpose here. So I have this. And if I do this, potentially there should be no issues. So let's see. Right, now we already fucked up. There we go. All right. Should be good. All right, good. So let's jump into it. First of all, we should see. Oh, it's not gonna be good like this. Okay, now you see, this is why I wanted to do it private. Let me take this off for a second. This is why I wanted to do it private, because YouTube is just, you know. Alright, this should be good now. Alright, good. I'm excited. I see all the 15 people is here. I only see 6 likes. So guys, smash the like button. If you and you subscribe to the channel, we do this every single Friday fun day. Other than that, we are being very reasonable, logical, you know, logic-filled whatever traders. That's what we do in the community. But if you are watching on Twitter, come to YouTube, and we can do it there. So let's jump into it. Hold on. Let's jump into it. First of all, let me know what coins we should take a leverage on. And this is what I'm gonna do. This is the only thing I'm gonna. What? Bitcoin at 37,000. We're long. This is what we've been waiting for. Hey, did you guys see this, guys in the community? Let me just check the profits that we have here. Shush! Nice one. I am so happy. Guys, every single day in the community, we have the morning call. This is exactly what we've been expecting. Nice. Right. All right, let's jump into it though. We should have longed Bitcoin on this crazy nice pump. I think it's not gonna hold. As you guys know, in the community call in the morning we discussed, I think this is not going to hold. I think we're going up. What happened was London took Asia low and then pumping. So like this is what we've been expecting, and this is happening. So we could take a quick scalp here on our DGen Friday. We could potentially take. This could be our first trade, actually. Because there should be a reaction here. Let's do this. I'm gonna go short here. But I have to adjust this. Well, this was a fast one. $10 out of the window. Let me see it again. This should have some kind of reaction. We should see some kind of reaction here. Maybe the 1000x is a little bit too much. But let's see. We're in again. We're out again. $20 out of the window. No problem, guys. No problem, guys. Let's wait for the reaction here. So the idea here is that we gotta see a reaction from this level. And we do see some kind of reaction here. This should not be whole. So like on our trades, we're not gonna do anything about it. But here we could take advantage of the little bit of hesitation here. That's the idea here. But now we gotta go double up. We should see the reaction here. Maybe we will come a little bit higher here. Maybe we'll come a little bit higher. What is the exact level? Let me see. Should be somewhere here, right? Should be somewhere here. Let me look at the minute chart. I was a little bit too early. A little bit too early. Yeah, so we should see a reaction from... Yeah, so this should be a great level. What is happening here? How are you guys doing, by the way? Let me know in the chat what's happening. No. So Rollbit is not valid. So Rollbit is not an exchange itself. So signing up to Rollbit won't count, unfortunately. So you gotta use. And also just for the people in the community, like the community is free, but I'm gonna look through the volume as well. We said that we are going to monitor volume, and we are going to do that. So if you are not taking advantage of the community and you're not trading, the reason why we can make it free for until December is because, you know, if you use your links, that means we make a commission after that. But if you're not trading, that means you're not taking advantage of the community. And if you're not taking advantage of the community, well, probably there's no value for that. So we will need to notify you. So I'm gonna look through the volume. This it doesn't matter if it's, you know, 10,000 volume or 100,000 volume. It doesn't matter. What matters is that we see that you are actually taking advantage of the community. I've seen it at Banter way too much that people sign up with a link and, you know, never ever use that link again. So we're gonna monitor that. If you wanna be with us, you know, you gotta be with us then. So let's jump into this. Let's see what we were a little bit too early. It's a 30-second chart. If we could break below here, that would be pretty good. Actually, we should take a long here, to be honest. I had to take a long. There will be some kind of reaction at this level. The question is, are we gonna really break below? But it's so degen, this 30x leverage. Out. Let's wait for the perfect moment. We're up $30 today, guys. Not much winning looking like that. Let's look at the other coins as well until then. It is what it is. I appreciate if you appreciate if you understand. It is building up liquidity, so it looks good. I hoped it was gonna reverse from this inefficiency, but it didn't. But also, if you look at the BTC chart, just as a little bit of alpha, it induced this level. So that's a good sign for us. Or is it? Oh yeah, definitely did. Yes. No problem. Guys, we might be like 30k next, you know? We induced this level. That's good. That's very, very good. It will turn around. Might come back for PD. 36.7, 69-ish region could be interesting. Let's look at the other coins. I wasn't available on after our morning call, so I didn't see the charts. This was a great entry as well. I'm in great beginning of an entry. Yeah, this was the trade. I'm actually in here. Yeah. Ellie, look at this. Perfect, perfect, perfect entry. Ethereum is still waiting. This is a great entry. This could be a great entry. It all boils down to risk reward, right? So now we are 30 bucks down. Subscribe to the channel and never forget this is not financial advice. We're 12 bucks. Question is, are we rejecting here or we're pushing through? My guess is that we're pushing through. The fact that we reversed here, we built up liquidity. We have to push through here, but we are reversing. And if we are reversing, guys, this could be a big long as well. Because the next stop is up here. 37,300 again. So we're 1000x. We're 100 bucks. But let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Did you guys see that Ren copied this thing up here? He even noted it in the group. This ticker up here on the left, this big one where you see the $10. Now he has it on his shows. That's from us. So nice stuff. All right, now it's coming back to the PD. Question is, will it bust us or will it turn around? That's the question. Coming down viciously. Let's look at other coins until then. Massive liquidity built up here as well. What is a 15-second chart? Yeah. Ooh, this could be a great long. If it came a bit lower. PD attainment. I don't dare to push the button here. This could also be a great long. Doge. Solana, lots of liquidity, will probably come lower. If we break below here, we could short this on the top. Solana up at $50, guys. What is this, Tron? What is happening with Tron? Tron is going at it. Look at this. Is there some kind of news on Tron? Does someone know in the comments what's up with Tron? There must be news. I'm pretty confident it's news. Big RLB buys. Okay, 2 minutes ago. Let's see. Let's see. Ha! You can't gamble on their own tokens. That's weird though. course you can't. What is happening with Tron? Something is happening. Something is not right. Second Polonix hack in a couple of months. Does Polonix still exist? I didn't even know that. Polonix is getting drained, so it's probably something to do with the hack. We should short this. Poland is getting drained, but why Tron? Oh, Tron go up. Probably that's how they drain it, hey? This show kind of got deterred, but that's what it is. I didn't know they existed. I didn't know that Poland is still a thing. We got busted. We got busted on Bitcoin again. Something, what's happening with Tron? Something is happening with Tron. Do you guys know what's happening with Tron? Let's try to catch a short on this one. Oh, I can't go that deep. I'm gonna go at it again. Maybe not the best coin to try on. We gotta catch it one time. We gotta catch it one time. This is what the trick. We don't do this actually. No more people watching this. They are like, what the fuck is that? Okay, we break below the 15-second low. I think if we come back here, I'll short it. If it comes back up there, we short it. Freddy's like, you are tired. Did you say I look like shit? Oh, but 5, it puts us very close. Like it's such a huge gamble what we're doing here. I mean, it can pay out big, but it's like literally gamble. I think we're. What is happening on the other account? On the other. Oh, okay, hold on, guys. Hold on. This is a mess. There's another way to do this. Anyway, I'll get this right. But the problem is I can't show the logo, and I have to have all these coverings and everything up on the screen, and it's just very difficult to manage everything because this is why it's probably gonna be private because you can't run a show like this. You have every covering up, and it's not the perfect way to do this. Tron, we gotta catch this big dump on Tron. That would be so nice. It's building up liquidity, so it will probably have a big push, take liquidity, and then we can short it. But we already look at this like I will probably have to take this trim down as well because we already shown the writing on the top left here. Up here, I've shown this there's a writing here, and that was shown. So this will probably be private. So you are experiencing history here. This is probably the last Friday fun day publicly, and then you gotta come to the community. We're waiting for this one push. Maybe it will just simply break. How is Bitcoin doing? Coming back for PD. Let's be reasonable. Let's do Bitcoin. It's coming back for PDs. It's probably not gonna break this here. Good morning from Portugal. Good morning. Hey everyone from España. I think I can have like multiple windows here. That would be so cool to have multiple windows. So let's see what... Guys, by the way, if you're new to the channel, we do actual normal trading. Subscribe to the channel. There's a pinned comment as well. You can win an iPhone. You can come to our community. Do that. Do all that. Let's see what else we have here. Bitcoin coming down here. Meme. Ooh. Should we take an AVAX long? So I actually do touch here, which is considered a great entry area. Oh, but it's like only 100x leverage. So what now? Did I open 2 positions? Oh, my 100x leverage position is still here. Do you see it now? Good. And our bust price is... Whew. Close. Look at this. Look what we missed on Tron. Not that big of a drop. Could have been bigger. I think Tron has to do something with this hack that's been going on. It's just so weird, pumping out of nowhere. BTC is pushing. What coin we should look at? What coin do you guys think we should take a position on? There's liquidity on Tron up here. There's liquidity on Tron up here. That's why I would not dare to take a short now. If we could come up here and take this liquidity, let's set up an alert here. Maybe that will help. Would be such a beautiful reversal up here. ARB. Yeah, actually massive liquidity building up on ARB. I'll give you that. Do we have a 50%? Now we have to be... The thing with these streams that these should be like long. Okay. Drew is saying check this. I can't... There's Tron news. Tier 10k status. I can't copy the link. What's the news here? Did you send this? I don't understand what's happening. That's fine. Justin said is pumping Tron. Probably that's what's happening. Crashes for how long? Did BTC come back down to up? Oh, rocketed through. Such a good long we had. You know what we were wrong? If you're in the community, you know we are long since here. We're taking this to the bull. Here. We're taking this to the bull. Imagine 45k. Just add the multiplies on your position. Just set a TP at 45k. Set what that is. That tweet went out and the price started moving. Weird. Okay, so let's get in on a long. I like this design though. I like this design on Rollbit. So like this would be our entry. I think we're down. Let's look at it. Let's look at the closed bets. We're done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this all today? 7. I think we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're now $90, guys. Jeez. We're done $90. Horrible. My wife will see this, she'll go mad. So let's go 25 here. Let's recover. Yes, thank you, Drew. Drew is such a legend. Such an absolute legend. Let's do $10. We're done $90, right? And then we have 10 90, yes, and then we're 85 because we've got 5% profit. Okay. We gotta see a reversal here. We wanna catch that reversal. I think it needs to come back to the 50. It needs to come back to the 50. That's my idea. You see this is called consolidation, by the way. Like when you have price really slowing down like this. It's pushing. Oh my god, our liquidation is so close. I thought it was gonna be down here. It's not. Okay. Well, we are $100 minus. Let's try 500. Oh, and it was even 500. What is it? What is the range here? This is our entry, guys. Still not our entry. We've got $29 on this account, guys. We have to make this happen now. The liquidity taken. let's go. It's messed up. Hold on. Guys, this is not gonna be the winning Friday fun day. It's Friday cry day. We still get 9.86 bucks. What we should do is either cash out on the 100x position and put it on 1000x, or what we should do is that we should have this $9 separate for a position. Let's try to have that. Let's try to have that $9 separate for this position. This is the 5-second chart. Yeah, Drew is saying the best I can find is related to the JST hack. Yeah, it's the Polonix hack. Oh, hold on. Oh, no way. 4,600 BNB exploited. What? $49 million, but I don't even know who uses Polonix this time. I don't even know. Like it was a crappy exchange even 5 years ago. Ethereum Sandbox, Polygon, Lido, DAO, and others. $49 million. Blockchain analyst platform. PackShield pointed it towards a suspicious activity. Yeah, here you go. No, it's 4,900 Ethereum. 726,000 Sandbox, Polygon, Lido. Still pump him though. So it's probably gonna get dumped then. So if the community, if you guys in this trade, sell it. If you guys are in that trade, sell it. Crow, 1 million crow. Ape. Sad though. Link. We could look at a great. We could look at a great short. Guys, this is why it's very, very important that you use your exchanges wisely. If you sign up with BYBIT now, you can win an iPhone. Use trusted exchanges. Use trusted exchanges. I don't even know why would anybody use Polonix. I really, truly don't understand. Mark all in, Fefe. 1000x, no messing. The question is that I'm gonna what is it? I have to lucky draw who's gonna transfer me the losses. If I transfer the wins. Seems like you're still rugged again. Scammers have transferred 4,600 BNB to Mixer, Tornado Cash, and 2.555 BNB. Still in his wallet. Hacker will bought a lot of TRX. Yeah, but it's gonna drop it. It's probably going to drop it. 1000x leverage trading on a token that is manipulated by a hacker. Bring it on. Yeah, if it's because of the market by the hacker, this is going to go back down. Is anybody hoarding Tron? You guys hold Tron? Gotta hold good projects. Ooh, look at this. This could be so good. Let me go 9. What is happening here? So like at 500x, so at 500x, 2.5%. So this would be my stop loss down here. This would be my stop loss. But SHIB looks good. It can still come down though. Let's do $3 500x. So we got 2 positions at the moment. We need to recover $100. Woo! You know what we should do? We should honestly do a 24-hour marathon where I kind of do this for 24 hours and I try to make up $1,000 out of $100. That would be such a cool thing. Because if I truly think, like, if we could public calls to remove funds from Poland is currently going out, of course. Yeah. So if I could sit here, thank you, Drew, for the update, by the way. Thank you so much. If I could sit here and I could wait for our entries, like proper wait. Hold on. I'll probably just do this and then just bring in the big screen. That's what we're gonna do. Nice one. Such a mess with all this covering and not covering, and sorry about this, guys. It's because of YouTube, I think. Or maybe we just take it to Twitch. Maybe that's what we're gonna do. But then another platform. Right. So what I was about to say is that maybe we should what we should do is that we should have this for 24 hours or something like that, and just really have time. Because if I have time, meaning we can sit here and wait for the perfect entries, I think we do have the possibility of making this happen. We should have a link. We can all throw $5 in and go all in on a proper shitcoin. I honestly, you know what? I have the greatest, like, you know what we should do? This is like, okay, so here's what we should do. And you know what? I'm gonna actually do this. For next week. We're gonna select a day and we're gonna do a fundraising. I'll give a USDT address or USDC address on some Tron. And so it will be no fee to transfer, basically. And when we have $100, anybody who transferred will be able to get, I'll try to make $1,000 out of that live, and I'll transfer back the money if we make that happen. And then it will be like a, that's gonna be, I don't know who would send money. I mean, if you would, that's awesome. If not, I'll just put the rest up. But maybe it would be better to do it like from $20 to 1,000, or like $10 to 1,000. Imagine that. The problem with $10 is that you don't really have a lot of chances. So if you have $100, so here's my thought. If you have $100, then you have 10 shots. Because if we go, and I would definitely not use 1,000x leverage. 1,000x leverage is fun because then it's up on the thumbnail and people click and you know, followers come in and whatnot. But other than that, like 1,000 is way too much. 500 is reasonable. Like we can put 500 to 200 to 300x leverage is reasonable. So if I could do like, you know, and then you have $10, then you go $1 and then you find the proper entry on a coin, like properly waiting. So for example, if I look at this now, I will open up the 5-minute chart and I'll be like, okay, so this here, we need to wait for this entry here, 48. And when I wait for this entry, I would easily get it on 300x leverage, 200x leverage down here. And if a 200x leverage, I have this buffer to make that happen. You know what I mean? So that could be, Drew saying 25 from me, sounds awesome. 100 to 100K. I mean, honestly, from $1,000, from $1,000 to $100,000, Yeah, I need to go 100x. Yeah, I mean, you know, why not? I don't know. I'll have to see. We'll have to take it in the community because, again, like it's so weird, guys, that I don't want to get in trouble now. Now it's like shit is getting serious, and I don't want to get in trouble. And you know, if like for example now, if I would actually do crowdfunding and I would do gambling with that, I don't know how that would like. Yeah, I don't know how that would like stand ground. So we'll have to see. But in the community, we discuss. So what's happening? We're down. Let me look at it. This was our day start. Jeez. 10, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. This is 135. We're down $135. And then we have $4 here. Huh. So we're down 130. So we have $6, $6.85. Now let's find something and make it happen. Let's not play with Tron. Oh, we're in a position here. Let me look at SHIB, by the way. Yeah, this could be good as well. Look at this. Oh, it should come down relatively close. We're what? We're up $6.50. I mean, shit could technically go up here. So with 5. So we're in SHIB at 500x. Yeah, I mean, if we can hit this on SHIB, we would make back the money. If we can make it up here to the local high. Let's try to do that. Guys, BTC 45k is coming, I'm telling you. I'm telling you. 30, I think the ETF is really is really here. I think we're going to see 39, 410. I mean, this might be a sucker's rally, but like I don't think so. This is what we had in the community call. I said this is not gonna hold. We have a very decent reaction, just so you see my accuracy. So it comes up here, it induces that people start shorting. The only thing I see, the problem is that they did not have a retracement to the 50, so we might just come back down to this breaker. I smell weed. So weird. I mean, you know, it smells nice. I'm just saying that. I think we're going up. This will be. Let's see if we get the reaction there. Oh, we're at $10. So now we're only down $125. Drew, South Africa is weird, guys. It's weird. I mean, in a good way. Like it's also, so weed and THC products are decriminalized, meaning you can consume it, but you can't like buy it, sell it and stuff like that. But they have these coffee shops like in Amsterdam. And they have these little gummies. It's like real like gummy bears. And you can literally buy those gummies in like a supermarket. You can go in, they have this little stand and then you can buy it. And it's just so weird. It's such a crazy experience to just go into a supermarket, you know, just shop in and, you know, you have these tasting stands where you get cheese and shit like that. Now they have these gummies. They don't give tasters, but you can buy it. And it's weird, like it's crazy shit. It's so you don't even have to smoke it. You just pop a gummy. Ren gummied me. Ren did gummy me. Ren is going around the place and just giving gummies. That's what he does. Legend. He has a story. I'll tell his story. Dev's like, I want one. Yeah, me too. Me too. Might pop one. I mean, it's not like I brought it from there on the airplane in a suitcase. That would be very illegal and very dangerous. And I would never do that. Look at my shirt. Would I ever do that? No. He did it to Kyle at last year's Christmas party, and Kyle got munchies and ate everything. Yeah. It's funny stuff. Ren told us a story that he was super high at one. He was very younger, and they were high a little bit, and they were watching a movie, and his friend's girlfriend came in, and the movie they were watching, she's like, do you know that you're watching a movie in German? And they didn't. Neither of us noticed that they were watching a German movie for like an hour. So that it does happen. It does happen. Where are you from, Devs? Are you also from Cape Town? Let me share with you the news actually, by the way. If you're new to the channel and whatnot, subscribe, hit the like button, all that. We do this every Friday. This is the last one that is kind of public, but if you come in here, if you come into the community, we have this RPL long. Look, so this was the RPL long that I was talking about. Half position. So if you are not a member yet, you should come. Click in the description. Oh, hold on. We don't see the... Hold on. Okay. So I'm not going to go there because then we don't see the profits. But you should join. You should come and join us in the community. Click on the description. You have to sign up with my link. It's free until the end of December. Aussie land! Woo woo! And he's in Australia now. And he's there now. Australia's not small, and everything wants to kill you. That's the only thing. I've never been there. I've been all around the place, but I haven't been to Australia yet. I want to go. I want to go to New Zealand, and I want to go to Australia as well. I think that, like, I haven't been to the States yet, and I haven't been to Australia. Yeah. Gotta go. Is that an invite, devs? Thanks. I'll go then. Awesome. See you there. No comments. Crickets. I need a cricket sound. I have this. Yeah, I would need a cricket sound. I'll need a cricket sound. So guys, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave this here. We're down. So let's just do some math here, right? So we are. This was a mistake. This was an accident. This AVAX chart. This was an accident. For sure. After the bull market, Aussie tour. Let's do it. So this was a mistake here, but not a bad mistake. You see, we're up 100%. No, we're up 50-60%. Right. So I would expect this. I would expect this a little bit lower, to be honest. So we'll need to see what comes out of this. Or maybe what we could do is that we could just make this money back. Like, make this money back that we just lost. And then from here, go to 1,000. It's like what? We've got 10, 3, it's 23, 30 bucks. We've got 30 bucks. 30 bucks to 130 is not, it's what? It's not much at all. The other position is SHIB. So on SHIB, I do see us going up here. I need to see a higher break above here. The problem is the relative equal lows and the built-up liquidity. It's rather this liquidity here, that's the problem. Although we touched onto some kind of demand. No, we induced it. Yes, I'm gonna sell SHIB now. I'm gonna cash out of this. Thank you very much. I'm gonna cash out AVAX as well. So we've got 30 bucks. We've got 30 bucks. So let me look at my calendar. We're going on for an hour now, but we could do this. Shoot, this Bitcoin position is just rocketing. I have to cut the video. Guys, I'm dropping a video today on leverage. Oh, I have a meeting in literally 5 minutes. Oh, it's with an exchange. Yes, there is a new exchange that wants to... It should be pretty cool. Let me just look at this. Where am I? Good. Yeah, so guys, unfortunately I have to go. But I think this is what we're gonna do. I don't even need transfer. What we're gonna do next time is that we're gonna let's look at just Tron for the sake of looking at it, building up liquidity, coming back up here short. But just so you guys know, what we're gonna do is that now we have 30 bucks. So what I'm gonna do, not tomorrow, but next week, we'll set a date. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna make, out of the 30 bucks, I'm gonna try to make 1,000. That's what we're gonna do. It's gonna be very calculated. It's gonna be very, you know, reasonable. It's gonna be high leverage, but we're gonna sit here and we're gonna try to make 1,000 out of the 30 bucks. If we go bust, that's the stream. If we make it, then we'll see what we do. We might just keep it and we go for 100,000. We're gonna see. All right, guys. If you're new to the channel and you like what you saw, scan this one right here and subscribe to the channel down here and come to the community. There's a link in the description. You can come join. You can come join us in the community. We do trade properly, not like this DJ stuff, which is fun and good for the clicks, but you know, we actually do trade properly. Come check out the community. We've got the wins. What I would recommend, if you come in here, you will see the Celebrate Wins channel. Look through it, like really just scroll through it. We launched this Monday, and this is not only us. Look, Drew is here, Ivan Lewis here, Z Gold, it's like different people are posting these. It's not only us, and it's like, I'm telling you, like we launched 4th of November, so 6 days ago, and this is the profits that people have posted. It's not us. Don't trust me, trust this. You don't see my screen. I just realized it. So if you come in here, Celebrate Wins. So it's not only us. It's Master B, it's M3, Z Gold, Fred. You know, so it's all these guys posting all these wins. So we started in the beginning. The first post was by me on the 4th of November. That's when we launched, 6 days, and we pulled all this, and our members pulled all this. So if you want to participate and you want to do professional trading, not just some DGen, let's go 1000x leverage, but we will see what happens, but actual trading with actual learning, morning calls, whatnot, go sign up with one of my links. If you sign up with BYBIT and you use BYBIT, you have to deposit $100. You will be able to win an iPhone. I will raffle an iPhone at the end of this month, and there is only 35 people who has to enter, so that's the criteria. And now I think we have like about 10, so you have a very high chance of winning an iPhone, and the only thing you gotta do, sign up or transfer KYC to my BYBIT link, and that's it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Truly appreciate you. Have an amazing weekend. I'm dropping a video today. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.